Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the best fried rice, Nigeria chicken fried rice. I'm going to show you how to season your chicken, how to make this fried rice recipe step by step, and you get a perfect fried rice recipe. Let's start with our chicken. I'll start by seasoning our chicken. This is a fresh chicken. Then I'll start by seasoning it. I'm going to add some diced onions, like chopped onions, any size you want it to be. Just do it freely. Then I'm going to add dry thyme leaf. You can, this is how I like seasoning my chicken. You're going to get a perfect delicious chicken recipe. Then I'm going to add chicken seasoning into the chicken as well. Then I'll be using ginger, that's dry ginger. You can also add salt to this, just little salt, not too much. Then I'm going to be adding thyme, curry to give it extra flavor and aroma. I like adding more curry to my chicken, especially when I'm making fried rice. Combine this, that's mix your chicken until all the ingredients is well combined with your chicken. As I said, I'm going to mix this. If you need, let me take a minute to appreciate all my new viewers. Thank you so much for being supportive. Cook this for about 5 to 3 minutes. Let the chicken bring out its own water, then add extra water to cook this. I'll be adding like 4 cups of water into this until our chicken is very tender. Cook this until it's tender. In a couple of 30 to 45 minutes, it all depends on how hard is your chicken. You can make it tender to your taste. So our chicken is ready. I'm going to stir this and remove it from the chicken stock. Then I'm going to go ahead and grill this. I like putting my chicken in the oven for a couple of hours so I'll get that crunchy chicken. So I'm going to put this in the oven. Then we start preparing our fried rice. In a pan or in a pot, add some vegetable oil, just a little, to fry your washed rice. I'm using parboiled rice for this, long giant parboiled rice. You can use basmati rice, any rice you feel like eating. Feel free to try this fried rice recipe. Steam this for about 1 to 2 minutes, but make sure your washed rice is dry without water. Go ahead and add some curry. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of curry. Then I'm going to combine my curry with my steamed rice. Then until my rice change its color, this is how it looks. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some seasoning. Just little, you know the stock, there's a seasoning in the chicken stock. Then I'm going to add some ginger powder. You can also add garlic powder as well. It all depends on how you like it, but I'm adding some ginger powder. Then I'll mix this, add some salt as well. Then add your chicken stock into your rice. As far the chicken stock can cover the rice to some level, but not too much. As you can see in this video, is not too much. So this should be perfect to cook your long giant parboiled rice. Then cook this for about 30 to 45 minutes. Your rice should be ready. This is how your rice should look like after preparing your rice. You can see, let me show you how it looks. It's perfectly cooked, not too cooked, not too soft, but perfect how it should be for your fried rice. Now let's start preparing our vegetables for our fried rice. Add some vegetable oil in a pan, then add your chopped onions into the pan just to give it a nice aroma and some flavor. Don't overcook your onion. Then add your chopped on carrot into your pan as well. Cook this about 3 to 5 minutes, but not fully cook. You can still feel that crushness of your carrots after checking it out. At this moment, I'm going to add green beans into it. I'm using fresh vegetables for this. I'm not using frozen vegetables to prepare my fried rice. So all these vegetables are finely cut to my satisfaction. Then I'm going to go ahead and add sweet corn as well. You can use frozen one. If you're using frozen one, add some salt, little warm water and some salt to dissolve it, so you don't have that sour taste, that frozen taste of vegetable in your fried rice. I also add some green beans I had some green peas. You can see all the vegetables look very colorful. Steam this. Remember to cook this in a low flame when you are cooking your vegetables. Don't overcook it when you are cooking. Add some seasoning to give it a taste. You need to season your vegetable. Add some garlic powder as well. I like adding garlic powder to mine. Then some pinch of salt, not too much, but just a little pinch. You know your rice has been seasoning, and so you don't have to over seasoning your vegetable when you are doing that. Add seasoning that you love most when you are eating your fried rice. If you take a note, I didn't add some dry time leaf into this. Yes, I don't want to add it because I already added to my other flavor earlier when I was seasoning my chicken. Add some salt to give it a taste, then combine your ingredients. Let me take a minute to appreciate my subscribers in this few minutes. Then before that, let me add my liver. This is a fried liver, so I'm going to steam it. You can also add a fried shrimp into it, but I'm not using shrimp for this fried rice recipe. Let me appreciate my viewer, my subscribers. You guys have been so supportive of my channel. I love you so much, and let me know where you're watching this video from in the comment section. Let me send you my love. So I'm going to go ahead and add my cooked rice earlier. At this moment, our vegetable is not overcooked, but is a medium cook. Like when you add your cooked rice into your vegetable, your prepared vegetables, everything is going to come perfectly. So you don't need to overcook your vegetables. You have to cook it, not like you can still feel that crunchness of your vegetable. Little crunchness, especially when you are trying to store some in the refrigerator. You don't have to overcook your vegetables. So I'm going to mix my cooked rice with my vegetables. You can see it comes as very beautiful. This smells very good. Trust me about that. And it tastes very delicious. You are going to enjoy this Nigeria chicken fried rice. I'm going to go ahead and add my diced red bell pepper. I chopped it very little. I chopped one whole red bell pepper. It gives extra flavor. You can see I had this later in the fried rice recipe. I did not add it earlier. I don't want it to be overcooked because of the heat of the vegetables, and the rice is going to make it come out perfectly. Combine this, you can see this is how it looks. Our chicken is already ready in the oven as well. You can decide to mix your chicken with some sauce, but I like it plain like this because I have other supporting club that I'm going to add, which is some salad along the rice. So this is the outcome. Please enjoy, and please remember to like this video. If you have any question about this video, please do not forget to leave it in the comment section. Please remember to share this video with your loved ones, and if you've not subscribed to my channel and you're still a new viewer, please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get updated of my new videos. And please see you soon in my next video. Stay safe. I love you so much.